of the popular Filipino boy band SB19 are celebrating as the highly anticipated concert in Calgary has officially sold out. The event, set to take place at the Grey Eagle Casino, saw an overwhelming response from fans eager to see their favorite group perform live. Adding to the excitement, SB19 and their dedicated team have just arrived in Calgary. The group was warmly welcomed by enthusiastic fans at the airport, with fans lining up early to catch a glimpse of the artists and show their support.
Welcome! Hi, Stan!
Go na kayo, go doon. Hi, Kem! Hi, Stan! I thought this way. Hi, Ken! Hi, Ken! Hi, Stel! Hi, Stel! Stel! Hi, Pao! Hi, Pao! Hi, Pao! Si Josh. Si Josh. Nakadaan na siya. Bye, Josh!